Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Dr. Shibaz here. So after successfully completing our full course on data analysis using SPSS, I am very excited to announce that today we are starting our second complete course, data analysis using R. If you are interested in learning SPSS, you can also watch the complete SPSS course available on my YouTube channel. R is a powerful, flexible, and widely used software for statistical analysis, data visualization, and academic research. In this new course, I will explain our data analysis step by step, starting from the basics and gradually moving to our advanced statistical techniques. In today's video, we will learn how to create a new project in RStudio, how to create and set a working directory, how to organize files within our project, how to import an SPSS file into RStudio, how to import an Excel file into RStudio, how to import a Stata data file within the datasets extension, how to import a SAS data file. So by the end of this video, you will be able to create your own R project, manage your working directory, and successfully import datasets from different statistical software packages. So this course will be especially useful for students, researchers, teachers, and professionals who want to learn data analysis using R from beginner to advanced level. Please watch the video until the end and practice each step with me. If you find this video helpful, please like it, share it with others, and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can get my next videos on our data analysis. So let's start. First of all, we need to create a new project. So we can click here, project, and then click on new project. So it is working. And now we will see the window, new project wizard, like we will create new directory. So here we will create new project, and then first of all we need to select the folder. First of all, I click on browse, and we have a folder, R folder. So we will put my project and then click open. So here I will make a directory. So under this folder, R folder, I will make a directory. So we are going to do importing data in RStudio. So I name it as how to import data. So I name the directory as how to import data. So I will create project. So project has successfully been created in RStudio. So now we move to data. So it is working basically, just wait for a while so that we can finish and then go back to our data. So we have done, and we also learned there are 4 windows in RStudio. First one is for R script, and then second is console where we put the codes, and third one is the environment history connection tutorial where we import data, and as well as this window shows the data set and the related results. And this window we can see different tags like files, plots, packages, help, viewer, and presentation. So now we need to set the data. Okay, there is a very important suggestion here. When we put the data in RStudio, we need to confirm the things like if we work on final data, we need to cut this data and then put inside the directory, because RStudio run the data with the same path. So that is why, because we selected this table, this folder, R folder, and we make a new directory inside R folder. The name is how to import data. So we need to put our data set inside this directory. So in this way, RStudio can read the data. So now we back to RStudio, and then we will import the data. We will click on import, and click on SPSS. So there are other things we just need to explain here. Before importing the data, you should have a relevant package in RStudio. For example, if your data is in Excel file, so you need to install package according to Excel. If you have data in SPSS, then you also need to install package. So there are multiple packages in RStudio, so we need to install before importing data into RStudio. So if we import Excel data in RStudio, so we need to install readxl package. So I just want, because I have already installed all packages, but I need to ensure that you can learn it easily. So if for Excel data importing, so you will install readxl package carefully. So because I just want to ensure that I have already installed this package, you can say here readxl. So you can see I have already installed it. So if you don't have this, so you need to install from this readxl, then click on install. So RStudio will automatically install it. Okay, so second, if we have data in SPSS file, so you also need another package. The name is Heaven. So because I have already installed it, so if you want to install, so you need to go here, then click on Heaven. So you will see the package here, then click it, then install. So RStudio will automatically install. So after doing that, you are free to import data in RStudio. Like we have already installed both packages, so now I am going to import data in RStudio. So I will go here, import dataset, and we will import data, as because we have data in SPSS. So from SPSS, and I will click on browse. This is our data, final survey data, and then we will click on open. So it will show the data here, and also it show the format, because SPSS data extension is SAV, so it shows the format. So now we will click on import. So we have successfully imported our SPSS data in RStudio. So you can see the data. So in this way, you can import data from different software into RStudio. So if you find my video helpful, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.